Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. And I just got freshened up and I'm super excited because we just got one of our products that I've been waiting for. It's a humidifier, and I know that humidifier is very important just like in normal days, but then the other day Tanya was telling me that it's also important when you're especially pregnant, and I don't know the reason, so I'm going to her to ask and also show you guys because we haven't opened it yet. So we're gonna open it, assemble it, and what better to share it with you guys. So I was reading, like, if you live in a humid place or not, typically your humidity should be like 30 to 50% for a comfortable room temperature and stuff. So I was thinking of buying one, and then she was telling me something about why you should have one.
Yeah, it's basically you're pregnant or not pregnant, you can always have dry skin any part of your body, and humidifier helps with that. It helps with dry skin, lips, or dry hair. It helps with the moisture, basically. I don't know about scalp, but yeah.
Well,
and because since I'm pregnant, I have been having a little bit dry skin, and my pregnancy app was telling me that it's the perfect time for you to invest on a humidifier. And normally also,
yeah.
I mean, my lips are always dry.
I mean, if you live in a very dry place or a very humid place, either ways you would want to have a humidifier. Yeah. So our biggest struggle was finding a humidifier that's big enough for the area where you spend most of your day. So for her, like, she's most of the time either downstairs in the kitchen here, or we are in our office area editing, working, like. So we were looking for a humidifier which is big enough, and we finally found one. So let's open it, show it to you. This humidifier actually covers like 1,000 square feet of area, so it's really good. And we'll talk about more of its features and where we did get it from. I'll also put an Amazon link in the description box for this humidifier. So let's get rolling. Excuse me, what you doing? Are you helping Daddy take out the humidifier? You excited for the humidifier? All right, so it's LACIDOLL ultrasonic humidifier. So let's open this, assemble it.
Alright, the best thing about this humidifier is that you can add essential oil to it, and there's a space here in the back. All you have to do is just push it and take this thing out. And I have the tea tree oil, and I'm gonna use a little bit of napkin. Just pour the oil in here and add it and keep it here. So let's do that.
So let me give you a quick update. When we turn it on, you can see how good the mist is coming out, basically. Another thing is, it will tell you the temperature inside. It will tell you the relative humidity percentage right now, which is 46 to 47, and this is the temperature. You have the buttons over here to actually adjust the max and min and adjust the timer. And also you can put it to sleep mode, or you can set up your timer to actually configure it to get turned off. Overall, this thing is amazing, and because it also takes essential oil, I didn't even read it when I ordered it.
That's the best part.
She is super happy, and we can already smell the house so good.
Yeah.
This takes 16 liters of water, which is like 4.8 gallons. You can imagine this is gonna last forever. Like,
yeah, and you can always set timer, and the timer is from 1 to 12 hours from whenever you want it to shut down.
Yes. So. And the relative humidity you should set between 30 and 50%. By default it comes set to 40%, which is good for me and good for us. So, but if it depends on you, which side you want to keep the humidity on. And the max and min button that I showed you is basically for the mist, like how much mist do you want out.
Yeah.
So the setup was pretty simple. the product is amazing. You can see how sleek it looks. Let me show you.
Look bad here.
See how sleek it looks. It's like, it's perfect for a house or the big area like ours is. And I'll give you a distant view, and if you see how well it goes, it's pretty sleek, it's pretty decent, you wouldn't even know it, and it does a decent job of giving you the statistics and everything as well. All right, so you must be thinking that wow, that's amazing with all the features we just told you, but here's a cherry on top. It does have a UV sterilization functionality. So it has a little button over here for the UV thing. So it has this button for UV, which actually helps you sterilize things. So that's another great thing. This function is by default turned off, so if you really want it, you can turn it on and it will give you a little blinker on the side here saying that this is turned on. So that's another great thing that we were not really looking for, but we found it and it was super amazing. So like I said, overall amazing product. We are loving it and I would highly recommend it. Pregnant or not, doesn't matter. Like Tanya already said, it is good, especially if you live in a very dry or very humid place. It's good to keep the humidity between 30 and 50 because our human body is most comfortable at that.
Also, it comes with a cleaner if you want to clean the basket, but you keep the water in.
So. Also, one amazing thing you probably want to know is that you don't have to take it off to fill the water. You can just pour the water right here on top and it will all go in. And this mist is so cool. So, oh my god. So I'm feeling really good about it. If you guys need any more information, please leave comment and I will let you know whatever your questions are. We are also gonna have an Amazon link in the description box. So please go check them out. If you're looking for a humidifier, do check them out on Amazon.
And I say get it for yourself.
Yes, and let us know if you have any questions. I think this is it. This was a small vlog. We just wanted to unpack the humidifier with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.